Good morning, Facebook and YouTube. This is Stains Be Gone. We are here at a repeat customer, Miss Shantae, out here in Hope Mills. She called us back for one room cleaning that we didn't clean a couple weeks ago. Um, so let me show you where we're at. Out here in Hope Mills, North Carolina. All right, stay tuned. So this is the area. Real clean. See, there's a few stains. Not to worry. Stains be gone. Get good. All right, stay tuned, guys.
Ms. Green called again out in Hope Mills town. One room of carpet, a few stains hanging around, but no need to worry, no stress to be seen. William's got it covered, making carpets nice and clean. First comes William with that pre-walk through, checking every spot, seeing what the carpet's been through. Then the pre-vacuum, lifting soil deep in the pile. Look at all the dry dirt coming up, now that's style. Before any spray ever hits that flow, dry soil's removed like never before. Then the pre-spray goes down nice and even. William agitates the dirt, yeah, he breaks it up, leaving from door to fresh. Watch that magic unfold. Repeat customers know stains be gone, it's gold. Agitation working, loosening every stain, getting carpets ready for that deep clean game. Then it's hot water extraction, pressure just right, pulling dirt and grime clean out of sight, followed by a fresh rinse, fibers left right, clean soft carpets, yeah, that finish is tight. Look at these final results, just take a look. Before and after, got Mims Green shook. Her smile said it all, she was blown away. That's what happens when you clean the stains be gone way.
Thank you, Miss Green, for trusting William and McLean. Serving Hope Mills proud, keeping carpets pristine.